Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Matic number 4204104-975 bottom pivot roller assembly for a left-hand application. And this video is to just primarily serve as visual and dimensional evidence of the item. Weighs about 0.58 pounds. Lots of steel on here. Of course, the L bracket is steel. That is, I think, an aluminum-based product that's here. Your two wheels. Let's take some dimensional properties of the item. Overall, block to the end of the wheel looks like it's about 3 1/4. Okay. Overall width of the bracket, about 3 inch. Overall height of the bracket, 3 inches as well. Okay, let's take some dimensions of the wheels. And this, video is to help determine if this is a dimensionally appropriate replacement for you. The diameter of the wheel itself, 1.107. Thickness of the wheel, 0.381. Thickness of the steel bracket, 0.177. Okay, this is for Astro Slide 1 and 2 sliders, 96K and 96K2 sliders as well. And there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Matic products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the Matic 4204104-975 left-hand bottom pivot roller assembly, or any other Matic product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.